Hi, I did a third grade lesson plan on a book my class just completed, Stellaluna. Since we have finished reading the classic Stellaluna, let's dive more into the major themes of Stellaluna's journey of discovering family, friendship, and the traits that make her special. A brief recap. Stellaluna, the story of a young baby bat who learns to live with a bird family when she is separated from her mother. Stellaluna learns to sleep in the day, eat bugs, and stop hanging by her feet. Stellaluna learns she can live as a bird, but she isn't happy. She's not what she wants to be. Stellaluna finds her mother and discovers she is much happier being a bat, sleeping by day, eating fruit, and hanging by her feet. Yet she also discovers she is quite similar to her bird friend and different all at the same time. But they still could be friends despite that. So to send off Stellaluna with the grandest conclusion, we'll put on sock puppet play in her honor. The class will split into 3 groups. Each group will choose 2 animals that are similar but different and rewrite the narrative in Stellaluna's storyline while using characteristics of the animals to move the story along. Each story should end in the same way Stellaluna's story did, with her final line, "But we're friends and that's a fact." Each performance will be recorded by the classroom's iPads, presenting it to the class on film day, Friday, October 14th. Some ideas for technology. For the introduction, I'll be using Powtoons to show the different animal combinations students can choose from. For example, fox and a dog, dolphin and shark, skunk and a raccoon, etc. As well as showing a demonstration of my own story, a bumblebee and a butterfly, so we can all work together. For the task, the class will be handing in a couple things at the end of this whole lesson, which is the Venn diagram with their 2 animals, at least 3 differences and 2 similarities, their sock puppet, the script, that will be a handout that they just need to fill in the setting, dialogue, and characters, and recording the performance, which they'll do on their iPads. For the process, day 1, I'll be introducing the activity and we'll be splitting into 3 groups, 6 members each, and they'll start brainstorming which animals they want. Week 1, they'll be doing research on their animals and filling out their Venn diagram. Week 2, they'll be filling out their script. Once the script is checked, on week 3, they'll be creating their sock puppets and taking pictures of their sock puppets. And week 4 and 5, they'll start recording. I have included an example of some former students' sock puppet play for inspiration. In the information resources, I have a couple links that we'll go over in class about how to make sock puppets, different instructions for making scripts as well. Evaluations. I included a rubric that students can look at and we'll go over in class as well. I wanted to remind the students that I'm always around to help and feel free to ask many questions. It's out of 3 points. The highest they can get is 3 points. And the whole project is about teamwork. So if they just have teamwork with their group members and communication with me, then they'll be succeeding through this project. And in conclusion of the project, we'll be presenting on film day, Friday, October 14th. Each group will have the opportunity to show off their hard work pertaining to the Venn diagram assignment, script, sock puppet pictures, with tables for each group, which I'll set up. The group tables will show how we analyze Stellaluna with researching our own animals in the same situation and discovering the similarities and differences while creating our own narrative. Film day will be set up in classroom 132 with a computer set up to connect to the iPads to present. Members of the community will be more than welcome to come, and I'm sure they'll all love the hard work you put into it. And for some notes for the teacher, this will take 5 weeks in total, and there'll be different ways that the class will be using technology, uploading their videos into YouTube, iMovie, Windows Movie Maker for presenting to the community. I've also included the standards for this project and the net standards, as well as adapting to other grades, which I think is very adaptable because you can always have the script not be a handout. They can write the script themselves and also changing the book into Romeo and Juliet or Hamlet. So I think it will be great for all grades, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.